Hello, I am Priyanka Mahajan. Today we are going to see the usage of sit in and sit on. When it comes to preposition, even native speakers too are not quite sure how to use the right preposition at the right position. Conventionally speaking, sitting in a chair is considered more appropriate. We sit on a bench or stool, but when it comes to a chair, which is more ideally considered to be a furniture with side arms, at least it used to be that in the classical era. The term sitting in a chair became a convention. Nevertheless, we now use both in or on interchangeably as the furniture. Here, in this case, the chair has undergone a major structural transformation. We have chairs with or without side arms, and also people who, instead of occupying the chair in the most conventional form, would rather find it cool, resting in the side arms. Have you observed these two pictures? One person is sitting upon a chair, sitting on a chair. He is upright. He is not comfortable there. That's why we use on, upon. In another picture, one person is sitting in a chair, having a nap. He is very cozy there because armrest is there. That's why we use in. Both sit in or on could be used. It depends on in which chair you are sitting and how do you feel when the chair in which you are sitting has back rest, hand rest, head rest, foot rest, then you are sitting in the chair. And when you don't find all these things, then you are sitting on a chair, upon a chair. Sit on. Examples: you can sit on the dining chair. It is boring to sit on the plane with nothing to read. I am sitting on a very small chair. Isn't that he sitting on a bench? Donald is sitting on the front steps. Raj sat on a bench reading a book. Mohit sat on a stool at the counter. Meena sat on the bench next to Mary. Ram walked in and sat on the couch. Sit in. Sit in the chair means it tells someone to sit comfortably in the chair. Examples: you can sit in the armchair. Donald is sitting in front of the TV. Raj sat in the chair next to Mary. I saw Donald sitting in the first row. There was a man sitting in the sun. Would you like to sit in the front?